I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use vitamin C tablets for skin whitening. Crush one tablet into a fine powder and dissolve it in a small amount of distilled water to make a fresh serum. Apply to a clean face with a cotton pad, avoid eyes and lips, leave for 10 minutes. Then rinse and always follow with SPF in the morning after use. Begin by washing your hands and face thoroughly, then crush one vitamin C tablet until powdery. Mix the powder with distilled water to create a thin serum consistency, stir until fully dissolved, and apply right away to avoid oxidation. Use gentle patting motions, do not rub aggressively, and start with twice weekly applications to assess tolerance. Always follow with a moisturizer and daytime SPF to protect treated skin. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed the simple path to wealth as a smart, calming read on money and choices, and it pairs oddly well with planning your skincare budget. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy, and now let's get back to the video. Apply a small amount of the vitamin C serum to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area and any open wounds. Start with 2 applications per week and increase gradually if your skin shows no irritation, paying attention to redness or stinging. Combine with gentle cleansers and hydrating moisturizers, and always wear broad-spectrum SPF in the morning to protect results and prevent pigmentation from returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.